Hello YouTube, this is AYang at Mazda of Orange. I hope you're doing well and having a fantastic day. Today I'd like to present to you the 2022 Mazda 3 Hatchback 2.5S all-wheel drive with the premium package. This one's equipped with a 6-speed manual transmission. The paint on this vehicle is snowflake white metallic with a black leather interior. I'm going to go ahead and show you the ins and outs of this vehicle, as well as what the premium package has to offer. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So right off the bat, the premium package offers these beautiful black alloy rims. These are 18s. Back. This one does have keyless entry. So the front, the headlights are actually all LED, and they're adaptive, so when you turn the wheel, they will move accordingly to the direction that you're going. The Mazda 3 has a very aggressive looking front lip on the bottom, and that's flat black. This one also has the moonroof. And this one has the guard on the back, that's also in black. That. Here's the back. It has this cover here to protect against any groceries, sun-sensitive materials. When you close the trunk, you can't see what's in here. Lift up this area. Have a spare with your Bose audio subwoofer. Back seats do fold down. Close just this knob here. So you have leather trim all around the door here. The seats are full leather. Armrest is leather, and then on the dash is also leather. This one has the Bose audio system, so you get the aluminum speakers, which is very high quality. And then you have your power seats with lumbar support, as well as your memory settings. So to start, just be sure to have your foot off the brake and the clutch. So on the Mazda 3, the center screen right there is actually all digital. So you go to this info button here, you can actually select what you want displayed. To me, this is my favorite screen. So when there's a car in your blind spot, it'll actually have little arrows pointing either here or here. The premium package also has the head-up display right there. And what's cool about that is, again, if there's a car in your blind spot, it'll actually have arrows pointing at either direction. On the side mirrors, you do have the blind spot triangle there too that lights up. And what's cool is when you put this car in reverse, the mirror does tilt down. Same with the other one. And while I have the car in reverse, you do have a backup camera. So on here you have your radio volume knobs, as well as your next track, your Bluetooth settings, and your radar cruise control settings. You do have dual climate controls. Very easy to use. You have your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as standard, with a Sirius XM, Pandora, Bluetooth. You have your cup holders in the center. And when you open up the glove box, you do have 2 USB ports there and the 12-volt outlet there. So this right here is going to be for your navigation. This right here is going to be for your music, your home button, and your back button, your electronic e-brake, and your auto hold. So this is really useful at a drive-through. If you don't want to have your foot on the brake, you just press this button and then it'll actually hold the brake for you. So it's a very cool feature. And then one more thing I want to mention on the dash is you can actually change it to kilometers per hour rather than miles per hour, depending on where you're located. And then on this car, what makes it special is you got the 6-speed manual transmission. The clutch is super light, shifts are crisp, and then you press down, over, and up. You go into reverse, and that enables the backup camera. You have vents there, and this is like a little faux vent just to make it look symmetric. And then on the dash right here is all leather with stitching, very nice touch. Moving on to this, you have the dome lights that are also LED. And then you have your sunglass holder. And then you also have a moonroof. Let's go ahead and check out the back. Again, you got that leather right here. Leather seats in the back. And then you also have your cup holders in the rear and a rear pocket for more storage. You have your child anchors. Here is the sticker. That's what the premium package offers. And then there's the gas mileage and the safety. So if you have any questions on this Mazda 3 hatchback with the 6-speed manual transmission, please let me know. My contact information will be listed below. Thank you so much for tuning in, and until next time, take care.